magnets. You want sales, you need content. Basically, if you don't have any new content to put out there, your business is dead in the water. Various studies have pointed out two very important things about content. First, 72% of companies say content marketing increases leads. And second, more than 80% of marketers plan to spend more on content marketing. These two findings make it super clear that the demand for content is going to keep growing for years to come. Now, what if I told you that you are just minutes away from making massive profits by solving the content problem for yourself and selling it to businesses for top dollars without any work? Everything fully automated. From generating content in just one click, to selling it to hungry businesses, and even content marketing agencies for big bucks. Building an evergreen business selling top quality content and generating consistent six-figure income per month. Talking about trending and viral content from top sources like Google, YouTube, Twitter, Flickr, wiki pages, wiki files, blogs, discussions, e-commerce, web hose news, Bloomberg, BuzzFeed, CNN, ESPN, Fox News, Google News, Medical News Today, National Geographic, TechCrunch, The Huffington Post, The Washington Post, RSS feed, Pinterest, Dailymotion, Pixels, and many more. It's like an army of research analysts working for you 24/7. Curating the best content from these sources, helping you customize it if you'd like, and selling it for huge profits. Here's how it works. Simply insert your keyword inside KontentXpress and hit enter. Sit back and watch 100% unique content being created out of thin air in seconds. Publish or sell for traffic, sales, and commissions. With its built-in protection and image licensing feature, you are 100% protected when curating from trusted sources using KontentXpress. Want to create an engaging post? The built-in drag-and-drop post builder with a visual editor makes it a 2-minute job. Once done, post it on Facebook with a single click from right inside the dashboard. There are many other mind-blowing features that you can get the details about on this page. KontentXpress works for marketers across all levels and in every niche. It is perfect for internet marketers who want to make money online by selling 100% unique content. For lazy people who want 100% unique content with the push of a button. For online businesses who want to save money and time while not sacrificing any quality. For affiliate marketers and website owners. For anyone who wants to cash in on free traffic while doing the least amount of work. For local businesses fed up with not being able to figure out SEO, become an overnight expert. For agencies and freelancers who are ready to take control of their own destiny, exit the rat race, and end the buyer mentality and start selling their own products and services. For anyone who is ready to start getting results with free traffic and #1 rankings without ever having to do any work. For anyone who wants a profitable traffic solution handed to them already done. For anyone who wants lifetime access to a plugin that automates a powerful income stream. If you miss out on KontentXpress this time around, you'll be leaving behind a lot of easy money on the table than you'd care to calculate. Remember, KontentXpress brings you only the most engaging content from the most trusted sources, so you literally can't go wrong even if you tried. There's nothing like this on the market. Before